Today I'm making double cookies and cream cookie cups. First I have this Oreo cookie dough. I'm going to cut each cookie in half and add it to this greased mini muffin pan and then bake this at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. As soon as the cookies come out of the oven, I'm using the back of a teaspoon to make a well in each cookie. Next I'm going to make the filling, so I'm going to add 1 package of instant Oreo pudding mix into a bowl. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Next I'm going to mix that up until the pudding thickens. Then I'm going to add half a container of whipped topping. Next I'm going to add a pint of softened cookies and cream ice cream. Then I'm going to mix this up and then put this in the fridge for 3 hours. Now I have the cooled cookie cups on a tray and I put the cookies and cream filling into a piping bag and I'm going to pipe some on each cookie cup. Lastly, I melted some chocolate and I'm drizzling it over the cookie cups. Here's an up-close look at the double cookies and cream cookie cups.